He is 10.5 weeks old. He is still a baby. Come here, I'll get him. Right here. Sit. And he is probably going to run around tonight because he's still very new. I've had him for 1 week. And I have trained him already. Sit. To sit. Down. Good. Good boy. And we are learning how to be ears. He's going to be ears for me one day because I don't hear very well. And what he does is he comes to me. He'll come to me and tell me if somebody is at the door or if the telephone is ringing. Sit. Watch me. Good. So what I have to do first is teach him how to tell me. So I teach him to touch. And I use this. I use this disc to teach him how to touch. Okay? Right here. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Okay? So I tell him to touch. Touch. Good. Good boy. And then he starts touching to my body. Touch. 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 I've had him a week. We're doing real good with this thing.
After 1 week, yes.
Touch. Touch. Great.
You're doing fabulous for 1 week.
Yeah. Sit. Sit. We're still teaching him not to jump. He's just a puppy. Touch. Good boy. I'm also going to teach him, I'm going to show you real quick. He's also going to do what Dixie does. He's going to pick up items. So what I do is I put it on the ground, and if he touches it with his nose, I give him a click. Touch. Touch. Good. Can you hear Dixie? She's upset. She says, that's my job. That's my job. And I get him to take it in his mouth. He probably won't do it. Take it. No, he's not going to do it. We're not very good at that yet.
There's no fingers attached.
Sit. Down. Good boy. Does anybody have any questions?
Can you see the puppy?
Go ahead.
Want me to watch her?
What do you think? Do you have a question? Okay, that's a very good question. Down. Lay down. This dog is called a Nova Scotia Duck Tolling Retriever. Who's heard of the Nova Scotia Duck Tolling Retriever before?
I have. We watch Animal Planet.
You watch Animal Planet. Very cool. You know what they're called tollers, and they're hunting dogs.